Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to create junk journal printables using Canva's AI image generator. It's perfect for vintage lovers and digital creators. First, just head to your Canva homepage and then just click on Canva AI and then just click on create an image. Now just type your prompt like this. For example like this. Like this, or you can also type like old newspaper ads for junk journals, or you can also try anything else vintage or old style that fits a junk journal theme. And then just choose your image size. I will choose square, then just generate. And once your Canva generates your image, just choose the one that you like. I will choose this one, and then just click edit. And from here, just use remove background to spare the elements, and then just crop the part that you want to keep. And if the AI generated text looks odd, just edit it by download it first and then upload. And then just go to edit, magic eraser, and then just erase the weird text and add your own like this. And then just add text. And then just choose your style font. Like for example, you can use a vintage style font like and just position it. Maybe like this, and that's it. You now have a beautiful editable vintage elements. It's perfect for young journals. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.